and welcome to this video series where we will be discussing the technical analysis, a powerful tool for analyzing and predicting the market trends. As investor and trader, we all strive to make informed decisions based on thorough analysis of the market. One of the most popular method of analysis is technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to identify patterns and trends that can be used to predict future market behavior. This type of analysis is commonly used in the stock market, forex market, crypto market, and other financial markets. The basis of technical analysis is the belief that market trends, patterns, and behavior repeat themselves over time. By analyzing historical price and volume data, technical analysts can identify these trends and use them to predict future price movements. Technical analysis involves the use of various tools and indicators such as charts, moving averages, oscillators, and trend lines to identify patterns and trends. These tools help traders and investors to make informed decisions based on current market conditions. Technical analysis is not a perfect tool, and it is important to note that past performance is not always indicative of future results. However, when used correctly, technical analysis can be a valuable tool for traders and investors looking to make informed decisions in the market. In this series, we will be discussing the basic technical analysis, including key concepts, popular tools and indicators, and how to use them to make informed trading decisions. So whether you are new to technical analysis or looking to enhance your existing knowledge, this series is for you. So stay tuned and learn more about the powerful